Okay, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is my project demo for final year project 2. I will just share the screen right now. Let's do the entire screen. Okay, so we will start with our system right here. So this is my system. Let me just increase the brightness a bit. So this, you can see this is our landing page, right? We have a home page. We have sorted it up using locations, and we have an about us, and we have a reason why to date, we have a footer. It's all basic stuff. And now we have exactly three of these actors we have listed here. So the camper basically here is the customer, right? Camp owner here is the camp owner, and the admin is the admin. So we will start with the camp owner because it's easier for me to show you how it works. So we can either do a login, simple login, or we can do a simple sign up. So for the sake of presentation and demo, I will run through the entire system so that we all are clear about this. So let's just say my name, right? I'm gonna put my email, right? gmail.com. I put my phone number 273-69918. Put my password for it. And what we're doing is we also have to give a certificate of ownership of the camp that we are going to list. So for simplicity's sake, I will use the one that maybe is provided by my stakeholder. Just for 1 second. Stakeholder. Second. Okay, for simplicity's sake, we're just going to provide any of this because this is the one that the admin has to verify, right? So we're just going to put a sign up and it says sign up successful. And then we simply just go to the admin side, right? We have to log in with the admin, of course. So admin 1, 2, 3. And here, this is the admin part. So I will run over to the admin part as well so that I won't have to come and revisit this again. So this is the dashboard. You can see how the weekly earnings that the website has generated. You can also see how many reservations totally has been done, lifetime reservations, and how many camps are being currently listed on the system. And if you can go here, we have customer. Of course, we can delete these. We have camp owners. This is all the current camp owners that are already listed. And we have here approved camp owners. Now here, as you can see, this is the one I just made. I can open the certificate, right? So for simplicity's sake, I just put this one randomly. So the idea is the admin will now go through this, verify it, and then if the verification is successful, he will simply just approve it. Okay, this is what mostly the admin is doing, right? He can also see all the camps that are listed, right? If he finds any camp that is maybe violating some terms or something like that, he can simply just delete this. So the camps will be out of the system. I was just gonna log out again. And now we're gonna simply log in since we have completed it. So we're gonna on. Now we're just gonna simply right. We have a successful login. Now this is the admin, the camp owner. So of course I can upload my full name, email, phone number, and I can also choose a profile. So we can do that. I can also add camps here. So add camps is simple. So I can just say somewhere in Johor, or usually camp owners have a specific location, and always the camps are listed on Google Maps. So they can just put their exact same location. So for simplicity's sake, I'm just going to put Johor so that it's easier for everyone. Camp name, we're going to say Johor Camp, right? Johor Camp. We're going to say this is in Johor. We can select three different types of camps here. We have an RV, we have a forest camp, we have a stay home camp. So we're gonna go with stay home camp, right? And number of units, we have to specify how many units we have. So we say 3 units. capacity. Per unit is how many capacity. So since it's a stable, we're gonna say 5. And then price per night, 100 ringgit. Phone number again, the phone number that we want to give. So I'll just give mine. And social media link, you can put in social media, Facebook, anything that they have. I'm not going to put one right now. And amenities, we can list out amenities. We can give food, maybe Wi-Fi. We have, right? We have attached bathrooms. We have all of these things, right? And then we can say a description. So we can just list out a description that it's a stay home in Johor, in the heart of Johor, right? And we simply can also select images. So for again simplicity sake, I'm just gonna put random images here. So we're just gonna put 3, and camp has been added successfully. Now we can go here in the existing camps. We can filter out. This, by the way, is only the camps that are listed by you. So the other people that have listed, you cannot see. So you can see here, we have all the address, we have the social media, we can edit it, we can delete it. And then of course you can go on earnings. Right now we have 0 earnings because it has not been booked yet. So we're gonna log up now. And now we're gonna go for camper, right? Once again. All right. So it's simple. Again, you have no confirmation. So I'm just gonna go ahead with the one that I already have. Okay, so I think it's um, then all right. Now we're here. Okay. Now again, we can sort through popular cities. Before we go forward, I will actually like to show you my history, so we can see my reservations, active reservations, past reservations. I can leave reviews here, and the reviews will reflect, but I will show that some other time. So we're gonna change the date here. We're gonna set 4 because that's the place, and we set 2. And as you can see here, currently I only have one camp that's listed in Johor. So you can see here that total price for 3 nights is 593, depending on the date that we selected, right? You can go here and you can see Johor Camp, Personal 5, reserved now, amenities, no reviews at the moment. So we're just gonna go select. If we choose to increase, right, the number of people, and this one will also reflect with it. So we're gonna give a name. So that's gonna give us our name. So we're just gonna give dummy text, right? And then proceed to payment. Now this is the Stripe payment integration. So for this, we're using Sandbox. We just put dummy, right? And then we'll proceed to pay. And once the payment is complete, you can see here, status paid, and we can go back to camp. And now here, when you go to my history, you can see that we have done a Johor camp, right? So we can cancel them if we like, and the camp will be canceled. And for the review, I will just show you one of the camps. So suppose you want an Ampang Selangor. So you see, this is one of the camps I've listed, and I left a review there, and the review is showing up here. Okay. So let's go back. And again, we can also change the profile, profile picture, username, email, everything is changeable. And yeah, I think that's all from my system. Thank you.